Welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, we are going to see how solve MySQL not working. As you can see, Apache is working, but MySQL is not working. MySQL shut down unexpectedly. So, let's solve this issue. Go to File Explorer and then select C drive. XAMPP. MySQL. Rename data folder to data old or something else you want. We rename it because it will stay as a backup of our databases. After renaming, create a folder, name it data. After that, go select and copy all from the folder you just changed. Go and paste them in data folder. Go and copy all from backup folder. Paste them in data folder. After pasting here, select replace the files in the destination. Now in XAMPP, go and stop Apache, then start both Apache and MySQL. As you can see, we don't have errors. Let's go and check in the browser. As you can see, we can get to PHP My Administration. I hope if you have made this far, this video helps you. If it does, please consider to subscribe, like and share, and see you in the next one.